challenge for broker alliances. Let's take this baby. Got two Wastebringers, Wastelanders, Crucibles. Bring them in. Let's do some damage. Got to take these guys out first. After that, we just put them on Ruby. All right, let's take them. Get rid of all those guys right now. All right, now you're doing it. Do your best. Wastelanders will follow up to kill the drones that show up. Get those drones. They're supposed to be on aggressive, not Ruby, but you know, it happens when you're a rookie. You make mistakes. It's just that easy, just that quick. Now go and do likewise. Because I put them on Ruby and not on aggressive, I got a little bit of damage to my Wastelanders. Not a big deal. When you repair them one at a time, you'll find you don't get a lot of damage. You get a little bit. So you can see, in general, not a whole lot of damage. Go and do